Father's Day is here and it's time to give Dad exactly what he wants. You know that old robe he's still wearing? Well, give him a new one and upcraft the old one into car washing mitts made for a king. You'll need Dad's old robe, knitted cuffs that you can get at any fabric store, your Kai scissors, pins, and a sewing machine. First, cut the robe into large squares of fabric so you have an easy surface to work from, and set that aside. Using the backside of Christmas wrapping paper, because I know you're not using that this time of year, draw out a dad-sized mitten to create a pattern and then cut it out. Fold the bathrobe fabric in half and pin the pattern on. Cut it out. Do the same for a second mitten. Sew two of the cutouts together around the top of the mitt. Turn the mitten inside out and add the knit cuff over the top of the mitten and pin in place with the edges together. Sew around the opening, turn the cuff right side out, and there you have it. DIY car wash mitts for Dad made from his old robe. Hey, you might want to throw in a bucket and some soap too. Or if you really like him, get him a car. He can wash that.